So how do we isolate a color from a clip in Capcut? This is okay, but we want something more like Steven Spielberg's Schindler's List and completely isolate this red color. Let's take this image of a red car. You could start by trying out different filters. You type in red and test them out. Some might be what you're looking to do, but we want to really isolate it. The solution, head to the Adjust tab and look for HSL. You'll find here these different colors, and you can control the intensity of each. So, if we want to keep the red color, just leave it as it is. Then go to all the other colors and turn down this saturation level. Do this for all those other colors, and you're done. And it also works on video. Just drag a video clip and replace our image. That will keep our settings, and we won't have to do it again. Only extend the clip because it's longer than an image. As simple as that. Now let's say we want to isolate two colors. Well, pretty much the same thing. All you need to do is leave that color unchanged in the saturation level, in this case red and blue, and turn down all the other colors that you want to deactivate. Stay tuned for other quick tips. Cheers!